Had a nightmare last night.
Was it on Elm Street?
Dude, it was totally on Elm Street. It was about two-legged tarantulas living in a giant house that was made of candy.
No way.
Dude, remember that movie?
That
movie just scared the shit out of me.
Lots of candy.
Dude, like Hansel and Gretel and me.
Oh man.
Han Solo and Gretel?
Han Solo is the shit, man.
You guys ever seen Night of the Living Sandwich?
Man,
Yeah, there's a living sandwich in it.
Oh man, what about that movie about the birds?
Oh man, that
I
movie
don't like
scares the
birds.
Christ out of me.
That movie's not cool, man. I know,
Man,
like,
no.
ever since I seen that movie, never trusted a bird.
Aviation
No,
Devastation
man,
from the air, man.
Oh my god, man, there's birds right now! Oh man,
I hate the bird flu.
those damn geese are crazy this year.
It is worse than testicular cancer, I am telling you.
Oh man.
Man, I'm finding that by you shooting your gun on this side a lot, I'm losing all my hearing in this ear.
What? I heard him saying something about shoot my gun on this side. Awesome. Awesome. Come on.
Stupid dog. Hey guys, check out the high score I got.